Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to look at stock journals or stock transfers. However, let's first look at the stock themselves, like which stock is at which location. So originally, on creation of multiple accounts, the stock is going to be automatically in the main location. So we can go to the gateway of Tally, display more reports, inventory books, locations, and then we select head office. You can realize that we're going to realize that all the stock, if you press Alt F1, it will make it detailed. Make yourselves familiar with that shortcut. We shall see that all the stock is held at the head office as of now. You can see even the stock balances: 700 pieces, 250 pieces. The 700 is the overall equipment. So it's consisting of 250 pieces of spray cans 10 liters as well as 450 pieces of spray cans 20 liters. Then Hima cement, we have 898 bags. Kampala cement, we have 1097 bags. So it's upon this that the stock or inventory accountant will be able to query the warehouse operative that, oh, we're having this in stock, so you can transfer this amount to the other branch. Yeah, so we can escape. Just to confirm, if you open Bale branch, it's blank. If you open Nakawa branch, it's blank. If you open Sonde branch, it's also blank. So basing on our inventory, now that we are familiar that we have Alt F1, we are having this number. We can be able to decide which portion to transfer to which branch. So let's go and make some transfers of stock in at a tune of 50 pieces. Yeah, let's transfer 50 pieces of spray cans, both 10 liters and 20 liters respectively, to each branch, each of the new branches. And also Hima cement, we are going to transfer for Hima cement and Kampala cement, we are going to transfer 100 bags each to each location. So let's escape. I hope we are aware of that assumption we've just made. So after memorizing that, we shall go to accounting vouchers, and this time round we are going to go to other vouchers, and under other vouchers we are interested in the inventory vouchers. Then we are going to select the stock journal. Enter. So you remember to include the date. Since we're in education mode, the dates are restricted. However, if you are in the real world working, feel free to put the right date by clicking there and adjusting accordingly. So to avoid fracas, let's leave there 2nd of July 2022, since this is education mode. Now we're going to select, as of that date you've selected, we are selecting which item we are moving. Remember, here it's showing you source or consumption and destination or production. Now consumption and production is for manufacturing entities. So for us, this is a hardware, a business we are using for this course. So let's select spray cans. We said spray cans of 10 liters. We want to transfer 50 pieces. 50 pieces. Now remember that it's showing you we are sending from head office. And once we press back, we shall realize that there are 250 pieces at the head office. So press enter. 50 pieces at that rate. So we are sending at cost price. Yeah, since we are not selling. Enter, enter. Now spray cans 20 liters from head office. Since head office is the one with 450 pieces, you press enter. 50 pieces at the cost price. We also said Hima cement and Kampala cement. So let's select Hima cement. head office 100 pieces, then Kampala cement from the head office to a tune of 100 bags at cost price. Enter, and then you go to the destination where we are sending this. And destination, go ahead and put in again the same details. Spray cans 10 liters. Destination is receiving 50 pieces. So which destination? Let's select Sonde branch, and we are sending 50. Actually, now this side we are wrong. The details are the ones tallying with what for them they have received. We should note that this transaction is recorded after it has successfully been proven, because we might have sent 50 by they received, but they received 40, so they have to justify that variance. Thank you. So enter. Spray cans 20 liters, 50 pieces. So Sonde branch 50 pieces. Enter. Kampala cement, we're sending to Sonde branch 50 pieces, and Hima cement, I had to first create Hima. I want to be uniform, so let's come here and change to Hima cement just to be uniform. Sonde, then Kampala cement, Sonde branch 50 bags. So remember, you're at liberty to also say we are sending to 3 branches. 50 times 3, it's 150. Then you say that you are transferring from the head office 150. But then you go ahead and detail here those portions. 50 went to this branch, 50 went to the other branch. Yeah. So for this case, after that, we've confirmed that the records are tallying, and in our narration we can say transferred 50 pieces of spray cans 10 liters, 50 pieces of spray can 20 liters, you can also say 100 bags of Hima cement and 100 bags of Kampala cement from the head office to Sonde branch. Then we leave it at that. So this is how we are going to make those transfers for Sonde, Mbale, as well as Nakawa. So for learning purposes, we are only going to record this. However, in your practice time, make sure that you can also make the corresponding transfers for the other sites or locations or branches of Mbale and Nakawa. So let's go back to the gateway of Tally. Let's go to display more reports. Let's go to inventory books. Let's go to locations. So let's go to the head office. Alt F1. You can see that the stock balances have reduced respectively. You can see they have reduced. And once I enter here, it will show me the month, even the graph here. Once I enter again, it will show me the stock journal. It will show me that spray cans 10 liters. We had an inward movement or a purchase of 250 pieces at a cost of that. And on this date which you would have selected, we made a transfer or stock journal from the head office to uh, Sunday. So we transferred 50 pieces. So this one is showing the movement at the head office. Remember, it's showing you the location here. So we can escape. It even shows you the balance. You can see the balance. The balance is 200 pieces. So we can escape and go to another site or location. Mbale is still blank. This is just to show you proof. Nakawa is still blank, but Sunday is no longer blank. Alt F1 to expand the selections. You can see we have 100 pieces of equipment comprising of 50 pieces of spray cans 10 liters and 20 liters respectively. And once we select, for example, Kampala cement, it will show us that yes, in July, yeah, we had this transfer. We had this stock journal. You see the location is on the branch. Our first inward record was of 50 bags. Yeah. So it will even show you the voucher number of the stock journal for your reference. So the auditor will come here and say, oh, did this really occur? Yeah. Voucher number one? Okay, let me go back and see what voucher number one states. And then we'll go back here and go to the day book. The auditor will go to the day book. Alt F1 to expand the selection is looking for the stock journal. So you'll come to voucher type, stock journal, and voucher number one. And you'll be like, I saw someone saying they received 50 pieces. It's here. Oh, you will say, okay, yeah. And he will give his opinion on that. So let's escape and go back to the gateway of Tally. I hope you've benefited from the lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your colleagues such that they can be well versed with this wonderful package. Thank you.